In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the differential calculus, which is center of curvature and the problem of the center of the curvature. So first we will see what is the definition of center of curvature and also the circle of the curvature. So center of the curvature of the point P of x comma y on the given curve is a point which is there. You can take it C, it will be x bar and y bar, which is lies in the direction of the inward normal at P. Okay. And what is that? It is distance. It is taken C and P. The distance is taken as in rho from met PT is the from met PT, and the PT is the tangent to the curve of P. Right. So this PT is a tangent to the curve of your P, and PN is in the inward normal to the curve of P. If CP, what is that? Is C and P. It's P of x comma y and C is in x bar by y bar. Then is equal to rho. Then we can tell C of x bar comma y bar is the center of the curvature to the curve at P. Okay. And like it is taken with in the curve, in the polar curve, it's a point of P x comma y. And then what is that been considered, which is the point of C of x comma y, x bar comma y bar. It is in the direction inward to the normal at P. Okay. And which here the tangent of this curve has been considered in T. If suppose C and P, the distance of CP is in the rho, then you can tell the center of the curvature is nothing but the C of x bar comma y bar. Right. The coordinates of x bar comma y bar of the center of the curvature of the Cartesian curve, which is y is equal to f of x f of x. Right. So it can be proved in the following form. What is that? Here x bar has already proved it with the result we are having it. The x bar is equal to x minus y1 by y2 of 1 plus y1 square, and then y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y squared by y2 squared. Okay. The circle of the curvature of the curve at P of x comma y is the circle having center at the point of C of x comma x bar comma y bar. So circle of the curvature is nothing but which is the center which have the point of C of x bar comma y bar, and the radius is equal to rho in that circle. Okay. The equation of the circle of the curvature is nothing but it is x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square is equal to rho squared. Okay. That is called as a circle of the curvature. So we'll see for one problem. So what is that? Find the curvature, center of the curvature and the circle of the curvature for the following curves, which is root x plus root y is equal to root a, and x comma y is equal to a by 4 comma a by 4. So what is the question has been given? You have one curve and you are going to find center of this curve and also the circle of the curvature. What is that? First we need to find x bar and y bar as it is like is given in the definition, and we need to find the center circle of the curvature. What is that? It's supposed to be replaced to x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square. In this we are going to replace it. So now first thing I needed in the formula of your x bar and y bar, I need y1 and y2. For that purpose I am going to find it here y1 and y2. So take this curve root x, differentiation with respect to x you are supposed to do. So root x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x plus root y is nothing but 1 by 2 root y, and again y you are supposed to do the differentiation which will give y1, and root a will be a constant, it will go for 0, or I can able to write it only y1 will be kept in the left side, this 2 will get cancelled. First you can convert this root x, it will become minus 1 by root x, and then root y will go to the numerator, it will be minus root y by root x, isn't it? See here in this equation, so 2 will get cancelled, then I will get y1 by root y which is equal to 1 by root x will be have a minus. Then again y1 you can write this root y will go to there. I will get y1 is equal to minus root of y by root x. Now we are going to use the point which is given in the question. What is that? Point is x comma y is equal to a by 4 comma a by 4. X is equal to a by 4 and y is equal to a by 4. Just to replace at a by 4 comma a by 4, your y1 is what will happen, root of a by 4 will be root a by root. This will get cancelled. I'll get for the minus 1 for your y1. Now use your y2 to find this. Use this y1 equation before replacing your limits or your value. Okay, so what is that? Y1 is equal to minus u by v formula. What is that? So I have to take it u, what is that? Root x denominator into differentiation of your numerator. So root of y, what is it? Root y, 1 by 2 root y. Again y will be your y1, right? Since the minus is there already, it is taken here. And then plus, what is it here? Why it's written plus? It is a formula as a minus. Here minus into minus will go for plus because already I have a minus root y. So plus root y of, what is that? Root x differentiation will be 1 by 2 root x. And the denominator I have a, what is the term I have root x the whole square. So root x the whole square will become x. Okay. Now you have to substitute in y2 at a is equal to, x is equal to a by 4, y is equal to a by 4. So what will happen? You can see a by 4, then minus 1 by 2 into root of a by 4 into, this will be a minus 1. It will become plus 1, right? 1 by 2 into root of a by 4 plus, here also what is that? Root of a by 4, 1 by 2 into root a by 4. So it is nothing but minus into minus will go for plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. The remaining will get cancelled. Root y will get cancelled. Here root x will get cancelled. Root y will get cancelled because of same value. Minus 1 into y1 will be a minus 1. You will get for plus 1, right? Plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 by a by 4. So it is nothing but 4 by a. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So by a by 4, 4 will go to the numerator. I'll get 4 by a. So substituting these in the formula for the center of the curvature. What is the center of the curvature? It is x bar and y bar. So x bar is equal to, substitute by using that formula. So y2 plus, what is that? You have a term which you have 1 plus 4a by 4 by a. So what is the formula says? X minus y1 by y2 of 1 plus y1 squared. This is y plus 1 plus y squared by y2. Okay. So minus y1 by y2. So you will be having a term that this y1 value, and for minus 1 it will be a plus 1. Here it will be having 4 by a. So simplification of this, your x bar you will get for 3a by 4. Similar here y bar, you can substitute, the value will have a by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 by a. So which is a by 4 plus 2a by 4, which is equal to a plus 2a will be a 3a by 4. So center of the curvature x bar comma y bar is 3a by 4 comma 3a by 4. So now what is that? We shall substitute these values of y1 and y2 in the formula of rho, because we have to write a center of circle of the curvature. Circle of the curvature is relation is nothing but x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square, radius of curvature. So I need to find here rho. Rho is equal to 1 plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 by 4 by a, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 root of 2a by 4, which is equal to a by root 2. So what will happen? This 2 2's will get cancelled. I have a 2. Here root 2. So 2 denominator I can write it root 2 into root 2. One term will get cancelled. You will get a by root 2. Now substitute the circle of the curvature. What is that? X minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square. So what is that? X minus x bar value 3a by 4 the whole power 4 plus y minus y bar value 3a by 4 the whole square, which is equal to a by root 2 the whole square, which is equal to, you can write it a squared by 2. Okay. So this will give you what is that? Center and the circle of the curvature. The center of the curvature is nothing but 3a by 4 comma 3a by 4, which is x bar comma y bar, and circle of the curvature. So it is nothing but x minus 3a by 4 the whole square plus y minus 3a by 4 the whole square, which will give equal to a squared by 2. So which will come from this equation we have found it. So in this problem we can conclude here center of the curvature is this point x bar y bar, and this is here circle of the curvature x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.